Hey, how's it going? Darby here with Gen AI University. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use a simple copy and paste workflow called the $100 million Leads workflow in combination with the $100 million Leads book from Alex Hormozi to execute each section of that book to get the results that will help you with implementing what Alex teaches in that book. So you can save hours of time from going through the videos and digging through the book to figure out how to write and create all of the content yourself for those outreaches and how to customize it for your business so that you can, again, speed implementation to getting those results to growing your business. Now, before we go to the rest of the video, go ahead and click subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get updates and notifications as we create more of these workflows. And then head on over to Gen AI University after this video to subscribe to the AI Growth Library, where you can get access to this workflow as well as dozens more pre-built workflows and recipes and more to come as we update the library every single month. So with all that said, go ahead and watch exactly how copy and paste simple you can run the entire workflow for the $100 million Leads book inside of AI. We're using Claude AI, simplify everything, speed implementation, save you time, and go and put that time used into opening up more conversations, increasing your conversions, and growing your business. Let's rock and roll. All right, so we're going to dig in with an example demonstration of running the $100 million Leads workflow with a business called Acme Growth Agency. So what you'll see before we run this workflow is filling out a few of the key variables that we need to enter that are specific to your business or a client's business. And so in this case, Acme Growth Agency, a full service digital marketing and advertising agency servicing small business owners looking to scale. They're in the local services niche, so say it's plumbing, electricians, lawn care. The pain point is difficulty getting new customers, inconsistent marketing results, and lack of expertise. And their resources, so 12-person team, $50K budget. The goal is they want to get up to $500K in recurring revenue. They have 50 retained clients and platforms advertising for marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn. So this is where you'd fill out your own company's information. And once you have all that information here, you're simply going to copy and paste the recipe for this workflow into Claude and let Claude do its magic. So we got the $100 million Leads workflow for Acme Growth Agency. It's going to be recommending lead magnets that are specific to the business and servicing this segment of their market. So in this case, the small business owners, the service providers, and then it's going to start with crafting outreach messages. And so in line with your tone of voice and the information you provided, it's going to craft a template for an email that you can use to outreach and begin reaching out to some more clients. Then it's going to go into the next stage. And again, all of this in line with the $100 million Leads book, which you should be reading alongside this recipe. This is to help you execute the different sections of the book so that you can get to implementing faster and start to drive more leads for your business. So as we can see here, we have a messaging, then we have a follow-up sequence recommendation and a referral request. And keeping in mind, as you run this workflow, I recommend running it multiple times inside of Claude because sometimes it might give you more expanded results, but ultimately each one of these sections can also be ran individually, which as you go through the workflow, there's a lot of different prompts and commands inside of the workflow that make up this entire, what you see here. And so now as we go down from the headlines, long form structure for ideas for step-by-step guides, story-driven case. These are, of course, we can use AI to help us with creating, but ultimately we want to have a solid roadmap for getting there. And so you see your contact list sources. How do you automate the outreach? Again, the recommendation here for leveraging AI copywriting tools to generate these messages can be used in line with the content that we're creating here. And so you can see also it's giving out some ideas for different ad variations, attention, problem, solution, AIDA, and things of that nature. So one, add to, you can customize this recipe as well when you have access to it to include specific frameworks and structures in it. And so that's something that part of the growth library, you'll have access to being able to modify this recipe you see fit. But you can tell that as if you're building with Legos, you put all the pieces together, you get the entire output in pretty much one shot when you're using Claude. But ultimately, every single one of these sections can be refined, can be improved and expanded on But ultimately, this is designed to help you with the speed to implementation of the $100 million leads book. We get down to the bottom of the recipe, a few more sections here left, 7 levels to scale. So kind of going back to the warm leads to the maximizing your personal outreach and giving some benchmarks that you can build off of. If this were your business and you cater it to all of your specific goals that we start with up here, that is going to have an impact on what you see as the final output here within the context of this workflow. And so again, this is just one run of course, you can do as many as you'd like, ultimately help you with crafting that roadmap along with the $100 million leads recipe and using that as an implementation tool to putting it into action, to going out, driving more leads for your business and to grow from there. And so all that said, make sure that you go and subscribe to the AI author or at the AI growth library inside of our Gen AI University platform, where you have access to this workflow and many more of these pre-built workflows and templates and recipes to help you with implementation and getting better results faster with AI tools. My name is Darby Rollins, founder of Gen AI University. Go ahead to genaiuniversity.com to subscribe to the growth library and subscribe to us on YouTube as well to get updates as we drop new recipes and workflows to help you with speed of implementation to grow your business with AI. Until next time, keep calm and AI on. Cheers.